Hello creative, in this short time-lapse video I will tell you about my 3 favorite Procreate brushes. Alright, number 1 is 6B pencil, number 2 is Studio pen, and number 3 is Copic marker. I use the last 2 to create this sketch. So what about you, sketcher? What are your top Procreate brushes? Please let me know in the comments below this video what are your favorites, and if you want to learn more about my upcoming online course on iPad drawing for interior designers, check out my website schoolofsketching.com. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I can't wait to see you soon.